Hey, what's going on, guys? Thank you so much for checking out the video and for checking out the channel. So before I dive straight into all the really good footage I got of the 2020 Rendezvous in the Ozarks, I wanted to share a very special announcement with you guys. So it's been a really long time coming. A lot of you guys have been asking for this since day one, but I finally have some merch, and I have several really cool designs. I have shirts, hoodies, patches, stickers, just all kinds of really cool stuff. I've been working really hard in the background designing all these myself, and I think all you guys are really gonna like them. I'll throw a few on the screen real quick for you to see, but anyway, I've teamed up with my friend John at Long Creek Overland Apparel. He's a super cool guy. He's going to be actually making the shirts, kind of taking all the orders and shipping them out. So all my products are going to be hosted on his website. So if you want to support me at all in any way, merch is probably the best way to do that. So if you guys want to go ahead and check out the description, there's a link there that goes directly to the store and directly to all my merch. So yeah, would really appreciate it. I think you guys are really gonna dig the designs. But anyway, enough of that. Let's go, let's roll the intro and start this video. Thanks, guys. What's up, guys? So we're officially here at the Rendezvous. It's day one of the excitement. This is going to be a lot of cool Expo kind of vendor related gear, content, really cool stuff like that. I'm going to show just a ton of rigs out here. I want you guys to see all of these awesome builds people have done. And then I'm obviously going to sprinkle in some trail time. So that's going to be really cool, getting to see this thing finally on the trail. So my wife's going to get here. She brought her Crosstrek, or she's bringing her Crosstrek, and my buddy Harry in his red Tacoma. So it's gonna be a party. So tonight, just gonna be some basic stuff, hanging around the campfire, drinking some beer, chilling with friends. Tomorrow we're gonna check out the Expo, which is Friday. Backwoods will be here, so I'm gonna pull the truck over in the vendor booth sometime during this whole thing and show off the truck and get some feedback on it. But then we're gonna do some trails. It's gonna be sweet. So, all right, I'll catch you guys later. Well, it wasn't until after dark until my wife, Harry, and his wife, Brooke, were able to join me at camp. But nonetheless, we were able to eat some dinner, kind of hang out and chill. Then we woke up the next morning and made some really good breakfast and kind of got ready to go check out the show. It was really cool. What's up, guys? We're at Rendezvous right here in the big old open area for all the vendors. So I'm going to take you around and do a quick little video, a couple video clips of all these vendors. So super cool stuff. I hope you guys enjoy. This is for you. This is your moment.
My moment. Hi, thank you for watching. Subscribe right here.
Click the button.
And then after you click subscribe, click unsubscribe, and then go to promoters and
a little switcheroo.
And then we're gonna have a video that says subscribe to Grizzygram because we're all cool.
Okay.
No, because you're gonna subscribe and then subscribe.
Okay.
You're gonna subscribe, unsubscribe, subscribe, and then subscribe.
Oh, that gets me more numbers.
Yeah, it's more traffic. Yeah.
Call me the Joker.
Morning, guys. Just woke up. It's really early, about 7:30. Got the trucks packed up and we're gonna hit some trails finally. So the maiden voyage for Tacoma is happening this morning. I'm gonna try my best to get some footage of the trail, but we'll be with a pretty big group, so I don't really want to be that guy that stops and holds up the whole group and does a lot of filming and everything. So we'll see. We'll try to get some clips, but anyway, really excited to put the truck to its to the test, to the very first test. Yeah, we're going to go meet up with Matt McClellan, and he's going to lead us on a trail. So stay tuned. It's going to be sweet. Well, guys, we made it down a super tight section. Let me show you real quick. Harry's going on it. Pretty tight, isn't it?
It is.
Wait there, Harry. All right. You're getting there. Yeah. Keep coming. There you go.
Okay, so we just hit straight on, you think?
I think you're better off getting your left tire around this log so
Okay.
you're not spinning on there.
Okay.
Yep. Yep. There you go. That's good.
All right.
Put your front tires about here. And then middle. All right, straighten out. There you go. Yeah. Yep. Nice.
Watch the rooftop tent right under there.
Miss June. Miss June. June. This is the Ozarks Overland Adventures Jeep. This is Matt's. Go subscribe to his channel right here.
I will say you're probably thankful you don't have to shift with the other hand.
Very thankful. it's dope, dude. The guys were at camp for the night. Today was really cool. We ran some trails, had the Tacoma do its first trail. It did really well, super fun. I'll tell you guys more about that later, but I was really impressed with it. So I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you guys Harry and Brooke and Errol and myself. We have the same dinner. We bought like the same stuff. It's kind of funny. Steak and potatoes. What you cooking, babe?
New York strip steak.
New York strip. That looks dang good. Some seasoned salt and butter.
Yep.
About it.
Yep.
And then we have some of these little fried potatoes we made, or Ariel made. And then what are y'all eating? Same thing?
We got filet mignon and we chopped up in some pieces.
Smells so good. Put some sloppy mom on there.
Yeah. Well, Brooke's cooking it. I'm just sitting here watching.
So guys, this right here is Adam Sandoval. He actually camped next to us during the trip, and he went on the trail run with us. Really cool guy. This is his brand new Jeep Gladiator build. It's just killer. Yeah, so he's got a channel. He ran the Trans-American Trail on a motorcycle, set some world records. Just is a really cool guy. So check him out. All right, guys, here's the very first flex test of the truck. Actually, a little better than I thought. Doing pretty dang good. We're on this rear bump stop, obviously. There. It's pretty dang good. This rear tire is super tucked. Looks nice. I don't know how high this is. Let me see. It's not too bad though. It's maybe 2 feet. Something like that. Not bad. Morning, guys. Well, it is Sunday, the last official day of Rendezvous in the Ozarks. We just aired up our tires from an awesome day on the trail yesterday, and we're headed to our kind of traditional last day rendezvous spot, which is OARC Cafe. They are closed on the inside, for seating or whatever because of COVID, which sucks, but the weather's actually pretty decent outside. It's about 60 degrees this morning, and we're just gonna order some food and eat breakfast outside. And then after that, we'll kind of take our time and head home. But the rendezvous was so awesome this year. It grows tremendously every year, and that was another testament to this year. It was just super cool. Met a lot of great people. Gave out a lot of stickers and patches. Met a lot of subscribers. It was super fun. So look forward to next year. Start your planning now for next year. You really don't want to miss it. So yeah, we're gonna head to OARC, get some breakfast, and we'll call it a video.
It's a cool hard wind outside my window. Ooh, where people don't know which way to go. I breathe you in.
All right, guys. Well, just made it home from the Rendezvous trip. Man, always a good time. Favorite time of the year and favorite event of the year. So had such a blast in the Tacoma. Just experiencing how different it was from the Jeep was really fun, and I learned a lot just in this first run with this truck. So thank you guys so much again for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you haven't seen the couple of years back videos, go check out those two. I'll put them up in the video right here for you to click on. So 2020 Rendezvous, again, such a good event. Thank you, Natural State Overland, for hosting it. Again, that's so much work, so much behind the scenes stuff you guys have to do to make this possible. So I really appreciate it. I know a lot of you guys that went to the event really appreciate it as well. So anyway, on that note, thank you guys again for subscribing and liking the video and following along with my channel. I really appreciate it. So have a good one. We'll see you in the next video. See ya.